the question is, which of the following is a holocrine gland? அதாவது based on the secretions we have a division of glands into merocrine gland. Merocrine gland the secretions are released by exocytosis. அந்த செல் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு, ஆனால் எக்ஸோசைட்டோசிஸ் மூலமா அந்த செக்ரேஷன்ஸ் ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. Apocrine glands, where a part of the plasma membrane and cytoplasm is pinched off. You can see a part of plasma membrane and cytoplasm is pinched off along with the secretions. That's apocrine glands. Next, holocrine glands, the entire gland disintegrates. The entire gland illati in the tubular part illa acinar part is disintegrates and releases the secretions. Okay, so merocrine gland example enna we have sweat gland. Okay, sweat gland. Then we have the exocrine part of the pancreas. Okay, exocrine part of the pancreas and sweat gland the merocrine gland. Merocrine gland is otherwise called as the eccrine gland. Apocrine gland. Apocrine gland எங்க இருக்குன்னா breast or mammary gland. Apocrine gland. Holocrine gland, entire cell அப்படியே suicide மாதிரி போகிறது எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sebaceous gland. So which of the following is a holocrine gland? Sebaceous gland. Okay, thank you.